Okay, y'all, it's Friday night fish fry time. We're doing catfish nuggets. Come and so you can say hi, Callie. You haven't been. Look who's here. Sweet Callie. She's visiting for the weekend. Hadn't seen her in what? Since Christmas. Yeah, I haven't seen her since right before Christmas time. So she's here visiting for the weekend. We were so excited to see Callie. Her and Ari just hugged and hugged and hugged and hugged and hugged. Were you glad to see us, Kylie? Yep, so they here tonight with me. So we doing catfish nuggets. This is for her and her grandma. Kareem already ate. He like them hot, hot, hot with spice. So we're gonna do catfish nuggets. Tansey gonna get her some coleslaw. And Narika, of course, wants some hot wings. So he's gonna eat some hot wings. We'll be right back shortly, y'all. Okay, these nuggets are about ready to come. I gotta flip them one more time, and then I'm gonna get some Hush Puppies going on in here. By that time, Tansey will be back with the coleslaw. Okay, we about there, y'all. We about there. What y'all got in the frying pan tonight? Fish, chicken, or nothing? This is one of those junk food Friday nights, y'all. That's all we doing tonight. Just a little something, something. So I'm gonna mix up these Hush Puppies, and we'll be right back. Hey, y'all, we getting these. Hush Puppies going. We're using. You like Hush Puppies? Okay. We're using House Archery Hush Puppy mix. So just use, excuse me, mix them according to the directions on the package. This is a good brand.
Can I have this?
Well, yeah, now you know what that is, right? What is it? This is a hand sanitizer.
Oh, that's what that was in the last one.
Yeah, that's hand sanitizer. Yeah. You keep some hand sanitizer. We want to keep those hands clean.
I guess,
Natalia's my little one that walks around and notices everything. So she's checking out my hand sanitizer.
Can I have it?
Yeah, you can have it. She likes little things. I'll give you a purse. I found you a little purse too that you can have. Okay, now I'll show you the packaging. This is House Archery Hush Puppy mix. So you're gonna see how I've not used this one in a while, but I remember it being pretty good. Just flip them. After about, just let them cook a couple minutes, and then just simply flip them over, and they're gonna be just fine. I put a little bit of sweetener in mine. You can if you want to, you don't want to, don't have, but you can't put a lot now. Just enough to give it that little flavor that you want. So if you put too much, they'll disintegrate in the hot oil. Y'all know that. But to be safe, if you like Hush Puppies, just go ahead and cook them. Oh, I have to show you all. Young lady that worked with me years ago came by to see me. She came in a surprise visit. Was real glad to see her. Hadn't seen her in a little while. But she brought me the prettiest flowers. I have to show you. That's why I say, if you treat people well, they'll always remember you, and they'll always remember you, and they'll always treat you well. So she brought me the prettiest tulips. So I will have those for Easter time, y'all. But I had not seen her in a while, and she's just like one of my, I call her my, she's like a daughter to me, age-wise, and the relationship that we had was like a mom-daughter friend, or my daughter friend. I enjoy those type of relationships, especially with young women. And the guys who, I'm always, most of the guys that I have a relationship with outside of my grandson, they're my grandsons. I was reading from last year, birthday wishes, and somehow on Facebook, I missed it. They wished me they sent me all these happy birthday wishes. And it was just awesome. The sentiments that they sent to me. It feels good when people think fondly of you. But, yep. Tim came by and paid me a little visit. And we just sat and enjoyed each other because we had not talked I've seen each other in a while. Okay, I'm gonna let these cook. Like I said, they need to cook like 2 or 3 minutes on each side, and then they're done. Flip them over just like you do a pancake. Kyle, you say you love Hush Puppies, huh?
Yeah.
Well, you get these some fish and Hush Puppies. Huh?
I know what you're making. You're making something.
Norika,
You're making pancakes.
well, they look like pancakes, but they're Hush Puppies because you make these with meal instead of flour.
Oh.
Norika wants. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna go off here and we're gonna get these done, and we'll be back in no time at all. Okay, y'all. That's the last of the Hush Puppies. Those ones that I put in there, they're done. They're ready to go over there with the fish. Fry the rest of those up. And you know, I told you Tansey was going to get coleslaw. I thought she was going to get ready-made coleslaw, but she came back with it prepared to make coleslaw. So how about Tansey on a Friday night, y'all? She had a day off, so she's going to show y'all how to make some quick coleslaw. How's that for a Friday night treat? I know I needed to film this because I wasn't going to film it, so we got a special treat. Chef Tansey's back on the scene. How about that, y'all?
Hey, y'all. It's been a while, but I'm here.
Okay, let's get the camera raw. So, okay, that's Chef Tansey with the nice curly hair there. She's getting ready to, you know, my little cook nook over here. She's doing coleslaw.
Okay, so, of course, a bag of old-fashioned coleslaw, ready mix.
Okay, I'm gonna put her over here so we can angle this better from here, and I can get it right down. You need a measuring thing, or no?
Nah, you know we don't use measurement.
Well, yeah, I know I don't.
Okay,
Never.
so the first thing I'm going to pour in here is just a little, you got to season your cabbage first. Just a little slaw. This is a measuring cup.
A little bit of Bragg. That's
Cap.
Bragg's vinegar. Y'all know I love Bragg's vinegar. I use it on everything. Drink it, eat it, slurp it, all kinds of ways.
2 caps.
Now, do you want a spoon or a
I got
fork? Oh, you already got one. Okay.
You think I'm an amateur.
I guess she Tobin me.
I'm going
Okay.
to do a little salt.
You know what I did? No, it's not none in there. Cause what I did, I dumped the whole thing of salt in my. I had to rinse my fish. Honey, y'all, like I tell you, honey, things happen in this kitchen. I don't know what these other people be pretending about, but stuff happens
stuff
in the
really
kitchen.
happens.
And I just dumped the whole container of salt. Okay, there's some more salt. This is very powdery salt because I ground it. It was rock salt, pink salt.
I don't think
And
so.
you gotta take the top off because it's powdery.
Okay.
And you gotta dump it like in your hand. Here's a little thick deal if you need one.
You got a knife?
Oh,
I just need a knife.
break it up.
Yeah, break it up.
There you go. And it's
This
very.
is
You don't have
Himalayan
to.
salt?
Yeah, you don't have to use but a little bit of that. That's why I like it, and it's supposed to be healthy salt. It's Himalayan pink salt. And I just happened to ground it up with my little grinder.
We're going to
Okay.
put just a little bit of Himalayan salt in there.
Okay. I'll follow right along.
Black pepper.
What size bag was that? Was that a pound
That
or
was
half
a-
or 12
I
ounce?
think that
Or-
was a
It looked like about a 12-ounce bag.
that was.
Honey, we doing short order cooks. I did spicy fish. Kareem already ate his, honey. Spicy fish. I didn't realize that the batter was spicy, so I fried it up. He, of course, ate it. Now I fried some more fish in just regular cornmeal and did those Hush Puppies. So,
That was a 14-ounce bag.
14-ounce bag. Okay.
Any more black pepper?
Oh, gosh, that's all gone, too?
Mm-hmm.
What happens to me? It's some up there somewhere, but
Well, a big
no
deal.
telling. Well, I'll continue to look for it because I need to reorganize my. See that?
Oh, it was some in there. Okay.
Okay.
So
So she did
black
have
pepper,
some.
y'all. Olive oil, just a pinch. Just to
See?
make it stir easy. No.
She got jokes, y'all. She got jokes. I tell you what, cooking is wonderful. I love it, and you have to keep it fun. You know, y'all know me, honey. When I'm in here, I'm in my element, so I always have fun cooking. I love to cook.
Okay, we're just gonna mix this.
Oh, Kim came by here to see me tonight.
What?
Kim Moses.
Oh, did you?
You should see her hair. It's pretty white silver. I wish my hair would grow. I don't know why I didn't take a picture of her. She bought me those pretty tulips in there on the thing. And she just came. Well, she's working again. And then she just came and said she was out and about and came back, was thinking about me. See, that's why I said you have to treat people good. They always think about you. She brought me those pretty tulips, and we just sat and chit-chatted, and you know me, we cut up a little bit. But it was good to see her, because I haven't seen Kim in, oh wow, it's been a while. But she's one of mine.
We're going to be real, y'all. Just got to have a certain taste for it.
Yeah.
We're going to season it.
I'm going to leave these, you know what, I get my fix of olive oil ever so often, so I'm going to get my fix of olive oil on these hush puppies because I'm cooking with, so I'm not going to drain them a lot. I want my olive oil to remain in there, so I get my little olive oil fix on. It's supposed to be good for your stomach.
Okay, the next thing we're going to do, Hellman's with olive oil. Not Miracle Whip now. Hellman's.
Hellman's, yeah.
Please.
Hellman's has that flavor.
Please don't do that.
The flavor. The flavor. That's the flavor.
Okay.
Put those over there.
I'm going to mix this down. Get it nice and creamy.
And that's like some good old coleslaw, I'm tell you now. Like yesterday, I had a taste for potato salad. Y'all remember? I did that video yesterday. Whew, it was good to me, y'all. I only used about a pound, maybe and a half of potatoes. But I'm telling y'all, somebody need to eat the rest because I've just about ate all of it. I just
coleslaw? Oh, you know, I thought it was chicken salad.
It's potato salad.
I meant potato salad.
And I didn't really need to eat that much potato salad, but it's just that good. So somebody else need to come and eat. And I thought Kim was going to want some food, but she didn't want nothing to eat. So here we are.
And listen, guys, when y'all mix your mayonnaise down into your coleslaw, please mix it good so we don't bite in the clumps of mayo.
Your mayo clean all over your teeth and in your gums.
Wiping mayonnaise off when I want to eat. Okay, so we're gonna mix that down real good.
Did you? Oh, you already got it.
What's that?
The sugar.
Oh yeah.
Did you need more? While I got it out of y'all. If you need more, I got some more out of you.
Okay. Now that's nice, mixed, and creamy. Okay. The next thing we're going to add is sugar.
Y'all see I got sugar in one of them little things that you put ketchup and mustard in. That works so well when you just need to use small amounts. Huh?
No. I didn't know if I bumped it again.
Oh, no. I hope, well. Now this is a good plain coleslaw mix because it has the carrots already diced in there.
And one piece of purple cabbage. I promise just one piece of it.
So that lets you know they're mixing all of it in the same kitchen when they...
Okay, here it is, y'all. I can't make it up. I will never lie to y'all. There's one piece of purple cabbage in here.
There it is. Oops, there it is.
Now, the last thing we have to do to this coleslaw is taste it. And there's a little bit more sugar. See, your mayonnaise to sugar ratio has to be accurate.
There you go. Got to be accurate.
That's right.
So it'll taste right.
Balance.
You know, we're all about the flavor. No matter
yeah.
whoever's cooking, it's got to be about the flavor,
yeah.
y'all.
We won't have it any other way.
You can't get on the flavor train if it ain't got the flavor now. Yeah, so we have to have
The
a
flavor train where it said they got that cabbage. They got that cabbage, y'all. They got that purple cabbage.
Yeah, you can see it no matter what.
I thought it was a piece of afro hair
Oh, no, not a
from my
hair.
curl, and I thought,
She
no.
thought it was a curl.
Because this hair is shed free, honey.
Stop it. Okay, so we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we got our Friday night catfish nugget fish fry coleslaw by Chef Tansey. We got Hush Puppies and catfish nuggets. So we get ready to sit back, relax, and enjoy this little Friday night fish fry meal. So hope that you all got something good on the stove, preferably fish. If not, whatever you got, you can come onto the table with it. Listen, guys, keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. Pray without ceasing. Do something kind for someone. A note, a cash app, a kind word, a plate of food, whatever you need to do. Pray for me and I'll pray for you. Until I decide to cook something again. Love you guys. Toodaloo. Chance, you want to say bye?
See y'all till next time. Not sure when it'll be,
Get over
but
this way.
I will see y'all next time. Toodaloo.
Yeah, get a good look because she's on her way out again in the morning.
Been here
So-
for 42 hours.
So she on her way back out in the morning. So anyway, Godspeed to you, girl. Love you. Good to see you. Peace out.